Google recently released a new agentic IDE called Anti-Gravity, and I've spent the last 48 hours trying it out, building small projects and going through a lot of the early reviews. So in this short video, I want to show you 3 features that actually stood out to me. The first feature is browser testing and automated recording. Antigravity has a browser sub-agent that can open a separate Chrome profile, run your code, interact with your UI, and record everything it does. And you get a replay, screenshots, and a simple summary of the steps it took. This is useful because normally UI testing can be quite painful and slow and manual. I mean, you make a change, refresh the page, click around, and try to catch issues by eye. But here you can literally watch what happened, spot the exact moment something went wrong. And by the way, the Chrome profile it uses is not signed in, it doesn't share your cookies. And you can also set like a deny list of URLs in case you don't want the browser agent to mistakenly open a URL you don't want. The second feature is the agent manager and parallel tasks. Antigravity lets you run multiple tasks at the same time. So for example, when I was testing this, I had one agent updating some code, while another one generated a small logo for the same project. Both tasks ran in parallel. And when the logo was ready, I pulled it straight to my code and just kept going. Normally, you'd be switching between tools, tabs, or windows and try not to lose your flow. The last feature is artifacts for trust. And this makes Antigravity a little bit more trustworthy. Because before an agent makes a change or starts on your project, you typically get an overall plan and a set of to-dos. After the task completes, you also get a walkthrough that explains what actually happened, what changed, and why certain decisions were made. And then you see the diffs, which is another very important thing people care about. You can scan everything the agent touched and confirm the changes before accepting anything, so no surprises hidden in random files. So this pattern is becoming clearer from plan to action to evidence to diffs. As interesting as these features are, Antigravity really is still early. But the experience will definitely evolve, so I see this more as a preview rather than a finished product. So the 3 features once again are the browser testing with recordings, the parallel agents in the manager view, and the artifact system that shows the plan, process, and final diffs. Now I'm working on a full Antigravity breakdown that looks at what it is, how it works, and why it matters. So if you want to see that when it's ready, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day.